everybody, it's me again, and I have some more traveler's notebooks and pocket ring bound pocket ring bound and micro traveler's notebook in my shop right now. It's a little late. I've been trying to get this done for the past, I don't know, 3 or 4 nights. Don't mind this, my hand's been acting up. It always hurts, but I decided to try this on and see if it helps kind of stabilize, but I still need to get something smaller. My husband's been using this, so anyway, I have arthritis. Yeah. So yeah, I am using that material that I found at Walmart. It's like $9 and change for a yard, and it's really cool. I actually made myself one. I started off with one micro traveler's notebook and using it as a wallet. I'm still using it as a wallet, and I really love this material. It's really cool. And then on the inside, I'm using that other faux leather type of material that I had used in mine, and I shared with you, which also was from Walmart, but it was on clearance, so I don't even know if they have it on the bolts anymore. But anywho, they're both linked down below. There's 2 of each as we speak. I do post pictures and shop links to things before, to my Facebook group before I show it here on YouTube, just so you know, because sometimes I might show that there's only one left before the video actually even airs. I do have a Facebook group. That's where I'll show things first. Sometimes it's only like a few minutes in advance, but it's still, you know, early. So then if you want to join, it's linked down below in my description box, and you do have to answer some questions before I actually let you in. So once you hit request to join, make sure you answer the questions that you're going to receive right after that, and then I'll let you in. Otherwise, you will not get in, and if you don't answer within a few days, then I just remove your request or decline it. I think it's decline, yeah. Alright, and then I also have in the description box some links to playlists, both ring bound planners and traveler's notebooks, of all the tutorials that I will have that have to do with planners, from covers to inserts and so on. I don't have every single thing that I do, because sewing is sometimes involved, which lately that's what I've been doing, and I don't do sewing videos, but for the most part I do have tutorials for most of the stuff, even like the paper clips. These dangles I have in there somewhere. These paperclip dangles I also have in there. So check out those 2 playlists down below, and let me get started here. So there are 2 of each pocket ring bound, 2 of each micro traveler's notebook in the shop right now. Links will be down below. Each set has the same stuff inside. Now the only difference, first off, you'll notice is like maybe pattern might change, because you know each piece of material is going to have different patterns all over, so the way it's cut and put together, you know, might look different, but it's the same material. It's like faux croc leather. It's got this really nice finish, like a whitewashed silver / gold look to it. I just love it. So, and you can see the difference in just a little bit difference there, and then here it's a little more difference. I am using a cream colored elastic for all of them. Okay, so this is the traveler's notebook, so you can see how it's got the elastic here and no metal there. This, no elastic here, the 2 things for the ring bounds. Okay, alright, so they're the same, but the only difference might be the washi stickers that I'm giving you in here, because I have some from JoAnns that, you know, don't give you exact like 2 or 4 of each, so that's, but you're gonna get the same like images sort of. So here's the inside. They're both, or all gonna have some kind of shaker, and this is gonna be a shaker dashboard for your traveler's notebook. Oh, and they're all gonna have the undated monthly excuse me, the undated weekly. The 2 micros are going to have the lined paper, and the other one's going to have blank paper, but it's also going to have these things punched in inside, so it'll be like lined paper too. Anyway, so let's get started again. Let's go into this pocket here. They will all have the side pocket, and here's that material that I was telling you about that I found when I found this, and I thought went beautifully together. Everything is stitched, and you're going to get 3 cards in here, and they're all the same in all 4 planners. They are double-sided cards. And then here, this is from a long list that I got like at TJ Maxx or Tuesday Morning or Marshall's or one of those places. I cut it down to fit, and you get, I don't know, 5 or 6 sheets in here, but it's really cute. It says my fabulous list. So let me get this in here right. And you can move everything around. I just like to set these up. They're fun. Here's your washi sample card. Underneath is just acetate with hearts on it. Let me go to the back and show you what's back there. Another pocket. And here is your little pack of stickers. I decided to put it in a little baggie. There's a bling heart in there. There's the puffy lips from the last set of planners that I made. Some eyelash and eyeshadow dimensional sticker. One of the girls from Hobby Lobby. The washi stickers. And that's pretty much it. There's a bling heart. That's the back of it, just so you can see it. And she's dimensional. Okay, and then you will get a credit card pocket that loads from the top, so you could stick it on the back of any one of these inserts. And a Hobby Lobby pocket. A tag from Hobby Lobby. This cutout here, and then this cutout here is from the LOL. All of this is like LOL, you know, from the girls from Hobby Lobby. Okay, back to the front we go. The first one again is the shaker dashboard. The back side of this is this pocket here, which has a loose card or paper. So you can use this, utilize it to store stuff. And then this credit card pocket loads from the side. So if you want to use this as a wallet, you can put your credit card in there. And then there's another one on this side, which is the back of the shaker. And I've just tucked in. You're going to get these 3 tabs, which you just pull the backings off. And you can either put on the top or on the side. Anyway, you can put on the side. There's 3. And you should have enough room where it's not going to stick out too much on the side if you want to put it there. So you're getting these 3 in here. They also have foiling. And this is removable. There's your shaker. I did actually add some of those ring, like diamond ring confetti that I used in the last batch of planners. And then inside is the actual insert, which also has the covers, which are removable. They are not stapled to your actual insert, so the paper can be removed and changed out. It's a really cute Hello Lovely paper. You get this coffee cup. And I think all 4 of my planners have these and the diamonds in them. Then the JoAnns flower clip. Then, whoops, just pull that out with my finger. Alright, so then the next section is the Undated Weekly. That's the cover. Your sticky notes. I did put a little bit of adhesive on these too, because they were not sticking down for nothing. Some of these things, especially the ones from Target and Micheal's, they don't like to re-stick once you pull them off. At least not onto like acetate or plastic. Alright, so then I did make a paper clip. It's hard to see, but it's like sequins on this one. So the little ones, the micros, have the sequin bows. And then I made as your page marker, instead of the usual pocket, because this has a lot of pockets anyway, I just laminated one of the die cut tags, because it has a hole there, from Hobby Lobby. This is actually straight here and here, the plastic. I cut around the hair, so that acts like a page marker. And then on there is your pen holder and gel pen, which I think, I'm not 100% sure, but I think it writes in this color, but I really don't know. It's hard to, because my hands are hurting. If I can get anything out of it. You know, it takes time. Actually, it's a blue ink, so I'm wrong. It's blue ink, so I'm glad I tested it, which is good, because sometimes these colored ones, you know, you can't see very well. So it's a blue ink. I will show you. I just did it. I'll cover up my notes here. See, down here, this one. Okay, so let's keep going. Oh, and here are some of the cutouts from the paper collection, LOL. These were not easy to cut because of the shapes. And you can cut them more, you know, closer to that. I just did a quick cut for you. And they're just in one of these pockets for now. And then your little double pocket folder here and some actual planner stickers. This is a whole sheet from Micheal's. So there's actually some like cleaning stickers, doctor's appointments, dentist, some words and stuff like that. Okay, and then here's that diamond clip. And then in here there's a couple of acetate, or not acetate, I keep forgetting the name of this plastic, but anyway, some clear tags that also have the foiling. And then here's your paper clip dangle and the lined paper insert. And for the micro, I actually have this mini kit with all three of these inserts. This one, and this one. It's just a little mini kit, so if you ever need refills, you can get them in my shop. Here's the last pocket, and I think I already showed you. No? Did I? Yes, I did. I already showed you that. So let's carry on, because I already showed you that. This is down below, 2 of them available. Really cute. I just love it. I didn't make a dangle for here because I did this one, but you know, I felt like if you're going to be throwing this in your bag, you don't want too much stuff going on. I don't have much on mine. Alright, so the next one is the pocket ring bound planner. Again, it's still small enough in your hand. You know, it takes a little more than, you could tell the difference, but still small enough to carry around in your bag. Not super fat. Of course, you can make this a lot chunkier and add more stuff, like I always keep adding to mine. Again, they're the same, so we're just going to go through the one, and let's just start. Okay, so here we have, I like this, actually coordinates better. This rings with this material, and it's the 6 ring. If you don't have the punch, or if you want to know where you can get one, I got mine at Amazon, but AliExpress also sells them. I put this little sticker on, and you can size it for pocket, mini, and some others. I think you can size them for like 3 or 4 different size planners. The personal size, this one, oh, it finally came off. I'm gonna have to put some E6000. Anyway, I use that punch for this and this. Okay. Again, with the coffee cup, you get the same cards in here, same ones, and different washi, except the bottom one's the same. Let's put that back on. And in the back, it's all the same, as you can see. Same stuff, same materials. You get this one, the uploading or top-loading, downloading, business card pockets, and then this pocket here says Lady Boss. That's 3, these are different. I don't want to open this up, but 3 coordinating tabs, same thing like I showed you with the other one, and similar stickers in here, including the heart-shaped one, different girl, and yeah, it's gonna be just different colors, different shapes of the stuff in here, and then the eyelashes are the same. Okay, alright, so here is the shaker. So it's a ring bound, so you can make these just a single sheet, and I got different paper in here, and this time I was putting the papers in here because I wanted to use them for the credit card pocket, and this is a side loading one. So there's a credit card pocket here, so if you want to take this around and put your credit card or license or whatever, you can. Same shaker stuff inside with the diamond rings in there. Okay, so then first insert, which can be your dividers, you can use those tabs for that, is this one. And here are those same 2 tags, and then same clip. Then this is the month, the undated monthly. Now For this size, I don't have that small bundle, but I have like a mega bundle with these inserts in it. It's just got a lot more stuff to go with it. Okay, and then we have this one, and then I made this paper clip here. It's hard to see, it's just ribbon. And then each one of these is a pocket, whether it's this way or slanted. See, different styles of pockets, all laminated with this cutout, this cutout, these cutouts. And then as your page marker, I did the same thing I did with the micro and used that image there, but I made it so that you can pull it out. You don't have to unclip or undo this. So, you know, I just did little notches on the side, and I did trim around the hair just on the top part, and I'm using it for the pen holder, which, by the way, is one of the girl pens from Hobby Lobby. This one says Get It Girl, and it's got that girl on it. So, and this one writes in black. I'm not going to show you that, but this one writes in black, and it's a fine tip. And I always make every single one of these to fit whatever pen I choose to go with the planner, so it always fits snug. Alright, so again, this is like a page marker, so you can put it in any spot that you want, and you can still kind of see through it. I'm just going to leave it up front for now. You got the diamond clip again, the week on 2 pages, undated. Over here are your sticky notes, which again I did just these to put a little bit of the glue stick on there. And then these, you get this particular sheet that I cut down of planner stickers. Okay, and then here is that note list notepad, which I had cut down and punched to go in here. And right after that, there's no divider or anything, but it's the blank pages. Since I didn't print the line, I figured I'll just throw this in there so you have some lines in there. Here's the last pocket or divider. Really cute unicorn that came with this paper line, and I wish they had this unicorn more often in the paper line, but oh well. And those images. And that's pretty much it. And then the dangle is one of the not twine, but okay, here it is. It's a long one because I just made like one size when I made all of these, and it does clip on with a lobster clasp, but you do have to open the rings in order to use it. Now I put it on the 3rd one so it doesn't hang too low. You don't really want it hanging too low, but if you want to do it from the top, you can. And I'm going to do that now so you can see how it looks, and I think it's cute also. From the top, I actually have my other one like this from the top, which, you know, can go on the bottom if I wanted to. So you got a couple of options there. I'm going to leave it on the bottom, and you could move it around. I made this a while back, and I did make a tutorial for this one. These beads are, just the beads are from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so that is it. This is the ring bound croc. They have the name of LOL and then faux leather plus whatever type of planner it is in the shop, but I do have both of them linked down below for you. There they are. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.